Today, the 31st October 2020, the body of our beloved Meiieid Spillity Langrin Lyngdoh was finally laid to rest in Domiasiat village in the presence of her beloved family members, the villagers, members of different NGOs, along with friends and well-wishers. The last rite was performed by the Presbyterian Church of Wakaji. It may be reminded that Meiieid Spillity Langrin Lyngdoh did not give up her fight against the uranium mining in the area until her last breath.
So we're here to pay our last respect to our Wonder Woman, Kong Spillity Lyngdoh Langrin. We just buried her after a service at her home. It was thundering and raining, but finally the clear blue skies came back and we were able to finish our last rites for her. So I'm grateful that we were able to come to pay our last respect with the members of the KSU and NESO, and we hope that we can strengthen her family to never allow mining of uranium in this land for generations and generations to come. The sun sets in Domiasiat. I just want to say goodbye to Grandma Spillity Lyngdoh Langrin as she leaves our planet and journeys up to the stars. Thank you so much for fighting for the rights of the indigenous people and protecting your land from mining of uranium for the last 40 years. And I hope that your generations to come will do the same, and new leaders will be born out of this land to protect our generation and other generations to come from exploitation of the most dangerous metal known on our planet Earth. Thank you so much, Grandmother. Journey well to the stars. This is Lyngdoh signing off from Domiasiat.